Lewandowski 69. And a don't know how to say her name. Is that Lewandowski 68? No, it's Lewandowski and Lewandowski. Hiya, boy. No. I need to sneeze. Are you freaking... There's no way... Oh my god, and he died as well. Are you out of your mind? Like, dude. I can't believe that. Like, man. We both know that BRU or whatever his name is isn't gonna do anything, okay? It was all down to you, EX. Why do my teammates have such weird names? EX.AC. Imagine sneezing and dying because of it. Like, that's crazy.